What's going on, everyone? It's Camille Ico. This is to show you the new feature that Facebook has for favorites. So Facebook is getting rid of See First, and now they have created what you call favorites. So I just saw this new tab here on my Facebook page where it says Home, Favorites, and Recent. So first, we're going to click on Favorites. And it says here, well, let me go back real quick. It says you're seeing favorites post. Oh my gosh, it goes so fast. From the last 3 days. So you're seeing the favorites post from the last 3 days. So anybody that you had on See First, they're now in your favorites. And I had a bunch of business people here. But if you scroll down, it's going to show you that feed of favorites for the past 3 days. But then you are going to get to a place, and they just updated this like literally seconds ago, where it says manage favorites. So you can click on that. It's going to give you your list of people who were on See First. Now they're just going to be called your favorites. You can click this button here to view their favorites, and then you can add new people to the favorites, and they make suggestions based on your activity. So you can add people there, and then it says learn why they're prioritized. So you can also click here, and it says some people are prioritized based on if what they post is relevant to you or not. So if you're building Facebook for business, being relevant to your audience is very, very important. Adding them to favorites also prioritizes your content in front of somebody else. And then you can also read and check out some other reasons why people might be on your news feed, or why you might show up on somebody else's news feed when you click learn more. You can also prioritize pages, and you can add whatever pages you want to be added to your favorites. So it's going to be a news feed of content that you want to see. It's going to be right there and ready and relevant for you. And then you can click on recent, and this is going to be new post. So any of your pages and friends that have recently posted, you're going to be able to see that there. And when you click on home, it says you're seeing most relevant post first. So just something to look out for as you are using your Facebook page. And now you can really use that to see, are you being relevant in your posting? Because if you're not being relevant, then you're not going to be showing up in people's news feed. So make sure you're making relevant content.